My name is Ashleigh Denman, and I'm a product manager at Johns Manville for Fiberglass Batts and Rolls. There are two fiberglass products that JM recommends for concealed spaces in multifamily buildings: Climate Pro and Cavity Shield. Climate Pro is a loose-fill, blown-in fiberglass product that is great for use in non-conforming spaces and hard-to-reach places. It can also be used in a net and blow application for interstitial spaces. Cavity Shield insulation is designed for use in multifamily construction in the concealed spaces between floors. It eliminates the need for sprinklers between floors while meeting NFPA 13 code to provide passive fire protection. As a bonus, it also provides sound control. So what is the difference between Climate Pro blowing wool and Cavity Shield? Using dense pack blown-in fiberglass, Climate Pro, requires a blowing wool truck, netting, and a minimum 2-man crew. Netting is used to keep the material in the cavity, which can give an aesthetically pleasing look, but ultimately is covered and can require a callback to refill the cavities if maintenance such as electrical or drywall occurs after the installation. It is also difficult to know how filled the concealed space is, and the cavity can also be overfilled, causing an overusage of material. Cavity Shield comes pre-formed in 48-inch batts. It comes in various sizes of 8, 10, and 12 inches thick and 16, 19, and 24 inches wide. The material can be layered to achieve a fully filled cavity. There is no special equipment like hoses, trucks, or netting to use as the batts friction fit into the cavity space. A smaller crew size of just one can complete this install if necessary. A callback is never needed in case of maintenance, as a batt can easily be moved aside or removed during repairs and replaced without any technical equipment. Why did JM create Cavity Shield? Johns Manville developed Cavity Shield as an alternative to blowing wool for passive fire safety in multifamily buildings. So what does that mean for you? In a nutshell, Cavity Shield can be installed 25% faster than a net and blow application and can be completed with less labor. Additional considerations when choosing Climate Pro or Cavity Shield are the installed costs. When it comes to material and labor, Cavity Shield is the most cost-effective option for your install.